Hi, it's Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of our brand new 2021 Montauk by Boston Whaler. This is the 170, a 17-foot boat. As you start here from the front, see it has the breakaway trailer. Makes it nice to put in a garage if you have a limited amount of space. Great white hull, black graphics, very great combination for the color scheme here. As we walk around, you'll see that this does have a fishing package. It comes with the rod holders, the cooler, compass. Come on around, board the boat. This boat is equipped with a 115 Mercury 4-stroke motor. Great power for this size boat. It will run really well. The neat feature about these Montauks is these rear seats are removable. You can pop these out, remove them if you wanted to fish, or if you wanted to bring guests on the boat and you needed a seat, the seats go back in. Plenty of storage underneath the helm seat. Like all Montauks, the backrest is reversible and also slides forward. As we step up to the front, take a look at the helm, you see this boat's fully loaded. You got the Raymarine multifunction display, onboard VHF, Fusion stereo with JL speakers, antenna for your VHF. As we mentioned before, here's the compass. You also have a 12-volt charging port up here, and then the USB auxiliary port as well. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat we have in our inventory down in Huntington, please give us a call. I'll be happy to help you. My name is Josh. Thank you.